a hard right behind my desktop. Whoa, baddie, why she praying up to me? Ho, ho. Gotta give her when you're on your knees. Oh no, sick and tired of doing shit for free, yo, bro. I'm a voice bros, that's betcha. Don't you like it when these diamonds look like respect? I'm a little closer, sassy boy, and in the scratch. Skip a little henny, that's the cause and defect. Baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but it's your girl Tequila, aka Wavy Tipsy. Over the summer I've been just working and stuff like that, and I met if you watch Love and Hip Hop, I met Scrap from Love and Hip Hop. I gotta catch you guys up. So I'm in college once again, sophomore year, gang. When I tell you guys, lately I have been busy, but at the same time I've been getting blessings on blessings. Shout out to Melissa, thank you for getting this for me. It was unexpected. I was really shook. Yes, love you girl. The one, the only review on Auntie Jackie's palette. This is just a box. This is the actual palette right here. Let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm about to be back on my recording BS, and I'm about to start posting more on my makeup page, so please stay tuned for a nice review. No one understands how bad I wanted this palette. This is the outside, and as you can see, it's like the packaging is so good. Like, she really did a good job. That's the back of it. This is what you get when you open it. You get all of them shades. You got Zam, Wiggly, Shookington, Trust Issues, Edges, Sponsored, Ginger, Lituation, Credit, Dwellers, Big Wigs, Pinker, Supreme, and Sully. Say Auntie Jackie's look, the one she did for her review, because I really love. Ignore the guys, I'm in the city, remember that. To create her look, I'm going on her page, her channel, and I'm gonna pull up the videos. Baby, we gonna swatch. So first we're gonna start with Sully. Sully is this very first one. I tried to be really quick with my swatches. We have Sully. I'm gonna start with Sully up here. Yo, check. Okay, check. Oh, Supreme with Pinker. Big Wig is a pretty purple. Put it right here. Dwellers. These are really pretty. She did her thing. Credit, which is that matte brown, which I will be using in this video today. Lituation. Ooh, Zam. Okay. Wigglies. I'm gonna have Wigglies. I'll put it right there. These are so pigmented, like so pigmented. This is Shookington. The Trust Issues, which is a pretty sparkly white. Edges, which is like a matte, it's like a rust color. And I ain't talking about the sinker either. The flavor. It's Sponsored, third. Last one is Ginger, which is right there. These are all the colors, and honestly, the shades. And honestly, they all look good on me. And I really like that. I like that. Okay, she's priming first. Well, I going in with always with my Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. Yes, in the shade Toast. People say a lot about Pro Conceal. Like, you know, I know for a fact Fawn isn't for everybody.
Pinker. This shade right here, you need Pinker for pretty much.
So she's going in with Pinker, which is this one right here. This matte shade right here.
And you guys know how ABH shadows operate, okay? You have to go deep.
So I'm gonna use the brush that they gave.
Pushes in that breast. Start first by kind of stippling it on. And you guys know how ABH shadows operate, okay?
She says stippling it on. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna stipple it on. She's starting on her outer corner, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. She just blends it out basically all over her eye. It's very draggable. Honestly, she's taking this color and going towards like her brow.
Right though, and don't be adding more product. Just kind of feather it up.
Well, I've been adding some product. Sorry. And with Wigglies, just this one. So she's taking Wigglies and she's putting it like to this from here, and she's like building it up. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. In the middle, I see why she loves this. Yeah. Y'all see it coming together. Y'all see it coming together. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm feeling myself.
You figured me out. You got me red-handed.
She's going in with credit, which is this one.
Blending that in a V shape along the outer V of my eye.
Maybe I should find a smaller one. Taking it and she's doing a V shape. I can go with this.
In fact, I actually expect it to have fallout if the shadows are super. Wigglies is the most loved color in this palette for me because I can use it in so many different ways. Speaking of wigglization, I'm going back, just making sure everything's smooth and blended.
So she did exactly what I thought. Y'all, she did the same thing I did because I looked at Wigglies. I said Wigglies falling a little away from me. So she went back and Wigglies and added some more.
In order for me to feel really comfortable with Wigglies blending in with everything else, you have to take Supreme, which is really not as scary.
All right, Supreme is this color right here.
It looks a little fluorescent. Supreme, and you're gonna blend her. Do you see what I just did?
So she's taking Supreme and putting her on the top. Makeup remover, wipe. There we go. We're going with the same brush.
Is happening.
And she's putting it on the top.
You a side-by-side comparison. Because sometimes I think the girls need to just be notified that I'm noticing you noticing me, and I just want to put you on notice that I'm noticing you too. The difference is clear. This side versus this side. This is definitely the color that I underestimated the most because I didn't think there was a home for her. And it was Norvina herself that was like, that's not what she said. That's not what she said. It was.
This actually coming together. To be honest, I was afraid to use this. Y'all. So next she's going with a brown liner. And
now we're gonna do a little bit of detailing work with the liner and pop that into brush.
So she takes a brown liner and goes to her
I'll
bottom.
take a brown liner and pop that into my waterline.
Okay, so she's taking credit and she's adding it. So credit's like that substitute basically.
I mean, I do love the smoked out bottom lash, but it's gonna be relatively kind of subtle compared to the rest of the look.
Next.
That is kind of tapered, but still a little bit more dense.
Okay, so she means something more like, it looks like a brush like this.
With credit, now we're going into pinker, because pinker is slightly lighter.
And then now with the clean brush, we're going in with pinker.
The top, just for.
Okay, she's already talking about liner. I gotta go back with Supreme. No. Okay.
You know, just for the sake of the lashes. So I get really close to my lash line and just pop some credit in with a pencil brush. This right here is gonna make your lashes look a little thicker too.
So she's using a smaller brush. I should have used this one instead. So she's using a way smaller brush. To credit. And
pop some credit in with a pencil
she's
brush.
Taking credit.
This right here is gonna make your lashes look a little thicker too. I need something to be present on the lash line, especially for falsies. What? You got me messed up. I feel good.
So this one right here.
Right where it needs to be done. Because wouldn't it really be a jacket and look if there was no way for her highlight?
Then she goes back with Wigglies to calms this down a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh, I see what she mean by this. She calm her down a little bit. Give us a little pink popping. Okay.
We set up to not be ashy, but I really don't want the focus to be my super bright brow bone. So I'm just gonna take a little glimmer of that right where it
Okay, so she's taking Soleil and she's gonna put this right in the brow bone. So honestly, I'm thinking, should I just pop some lashes on real quick? Okay, guys. I feel like an actual Brett doll. I'll be honest about these lashes. I got it from AliExpress, but I don't think I will ever. I think these are the one I won. These are the one I won, but it was from like, I think it's from a giveaway, or these are the one I got from AliExpress. I don't think I'm going to order from them anymore.
Let's be nice. Yeah. Let's be nice. We don't have to go there. I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it. I mean, good.
The finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you made it to the end. Bye.
A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep peep. The girly ones don't seem